What's the meaning of apologize? Apologize. Apologize.
Apologize. Apologize. The word apologize means to express regret or say sorry for one's actions, words, or behavior that has caused harm, offense, or inconvenience to another person or group. It is an act of acknowledging responsibility, showing remorse, and seeking forgiveness. When a person apologizes, they seek to mend the relationship or situation that has been damaged and work towards making amends. An apology can lead to reconciliation, rebuilding trust, and restoring harmony in personal or professional relationships.